So today I am going to put seam tape, fiberglass 3-inch wide tape between these blue pieces of painter's tape, and I've masked that off so I can cut off the edge of the epoxy covered fiberglass soon after it's laid in place to give a better joint. So the inside of the kayak is together. I put 2-inch seam tape a few days ago on the inside there. And so this is the last big hurdle of construction that exists. And if I do it right, won't be able to see the seam tape. I'll also put seam tape down the keel here on the bow and also the stern. I've cut out the 2 hatches and made a rim that will have some foam inside to seal everything. Those blue pieces of tape on the inside mark where I need to put the bulkhead in the bow. I really like that. Need to sand the cockpit rim down and the rest of the deck. Here's the stern hatch. So the shiny parts haven't been sanded, and once I feather out the edge, I'll be able to do that. So here we are after putting on the seam tape on the outside. I laid it out, cut it to length, rolled it back up, put it in some epoxy and saturated it, then laid it out across the shear line, and then squeegeed it off. Not too many drips. So the rest of the day I'll work on fill coating, 2 to 3 coats of fill coat. Maybe I can get all those done today, and then maybe tomorrow put on the keel line reinforcing strip. Hope I can get those done. So I wanted to give you a view of what's happening here and why I'm using the tape. The edge of this seam is really rough, and as it dries it gets even worse. And so by laying this tape down, I can use a utility knife and cut right at the edge, or to the inside of the edge of the tape, and just score that. And I'll do it here just to give you a better view of what's going on. And then all I have to do is to pull this tape, and the fiberglass with that edge that's thickened comes off, as well as the tape. And it's sticky at this point. This is about 3.5 hours after I put the epoxy on. I'm using it as epoxy.